light is a version, boy, don't get nervous. I'm here to serve you customer service.
First, find to differentiate video that you can make transition. Screen record the per tool want to get from the MV.
Just somebody to fall in love.
Go to the second MV, then start the screen record on the part that last part off the first clip. When you're done, go to Capcut then at the first clip we got. Set the format to 9:16 then zoom, and adjust the clip depends on the transition part. Adjust the duration off clip from the left side to 4.8 seconds duration. Add the audio. This audio is on my shorts vid. Now add the second clip. Delete clips don't need like what I'm doing on the video. Zoom and adjust the clip same position of one street clip. Change the speed to 0.3x, then adjust the duration of the clip to 0.9 seconds. Next is to add 7 clips more. This is the step I'm doing for editing clips. I screen record only the part that I want, then pause the screen record when the part is I don't like.
I'm a girl's girl, I'm a boss in a man's world. Be looking pretty with no makeup on. Yeah. This girl gets so fast.
Set the format to 9:16. Then zoom the clip and adjust the clip depends to where side Lisa is. Change the speed to 0.4x, then split the clip. Then delete the rest clip except to the scene you want. Then adjust it to 0.9 second. Export it. Then go back, then click and auto bring all the clips back, then get the scene you want, then adjust it to 0.9 second. We need 7 clips with 0.9 second duration. I'm done with 2 clips, and I will do the 5 clips off cam. Go back to our original project, then add the 7 clips. Add transition blur with 0.4 second duration, then apply it to all, but remove it to the 1 street and tuned clip. Click the second clip, then add animation and shake 0.2 second.
It is a version, boy, don't get nervous.
Export. Thanks for watching.
It is a version, boy, don't get nervous.